Hello friends, Redmi recently launched Turbo 4 5G. In this video, we will unbox and show you full review about camera, battery, Antutu and gaming test. Doing so, I will also share some in-depth information of this smartphone. It is said to be the first smartphone to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset. The phone is backed by a 6550 mAh battery with support for 90 watt wired fast charging. It is said to meet IP66, 68 and 69 ratings for the dust and water resistance. Redmi Turbo 4 sports a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. It also comes with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. Redmi Turbo 4 handset is powered by a 4nm octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra SoC with a Mali G720M6 CPU. It is the first smartphone to carry this chipset, which is paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB UFS 4.0 onboard storage. It ships with Android 15 based on HyperOS 2.0. In the camera department, Redmi Turbo 4 carries a 1 or 1.95-inch 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 primary rear sensor alongside a 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. It gets a 1 or 4-inch 20-megapixel OV20B sensor at the front for the selfies and video calls. The handset comes equipped with stereo speaker and is said to meet IP66, 68 and 69 ratings as mentioned earlier. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Connectivity options include 5G, dual 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS and much more. So friends, hope you enjoy the full video. Thank you.